I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know.
Today I am going to share with you guys another or one of the platforms that I promised you guys that I'm going to share with you guys again. um this is the platform here, guys. All right, as you can see my chart right now, this is the platform. All right, the platform is called Reef. All right, so I am going to leave the link to this platform in the description of this video. So what you just need to do is follow the link in the description of this video to get yourself registered. All right, so one more thing before we proceed, guys, be sure to use your real information, guys, because they will send you a link whereby you need to verify your profile before you can start doing anything here. All right, so before we dive fully into the video, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, or if this is your first time of watching my video, guys, I want you to do me that favor and smash that like button. Be sure to smash that like button so that those or people that are also searching to buy dollar at cheaper rate and save very high will be able to reach out to this video. And also, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do me that favor and smash that subscribe button as well, so that we will grow together. And also be sure to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share another reasonable platform or anyhow anywhere you're going to make money with arbitrage business, you'll be able to be notified that I have shared another useful information that will help you make money on arbitrage. So first and first, guys, this is the platform that we are talking about here. I am going to walk you through on how to get registered here, and also before we dive into how you are going to buy here and sell on P2P platform, guys, first of all, let me show you how much is dollar today. Here, look at P2P here. All right, this is Binance P2P. When you look at it, this is how much is dollar as at when I am recording this video. You can see you can sell $1 for 724 naira 4 kobo, guys. All right, look at it here, look at it. All right, so it all depends on you. All right, so it all depends on what you want to do and how much you really want to make. So if you want to be making a lot of money, just make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because I am going to share how you are going to get yourself registered on this particular platform here, and how you are going to what you need and what you'll be expecting from the platform before you will start making the money. All right, so now first and first, when you go to the description of this video and click the link in the description of this video, it will take you to a platform called the Reef. All right, once you get you to this platform, they will ask you to sign up. Once you sign up, guys, what you just need to do, use your real information, as I said earlier on. Once you sign up, they will send a link to your email. Once they send the link to your email, click on the link on your email address, or the email that they sent to you, sorry. Then to verify to verify your registration. So once you click on the link, after verifying your account, they will now log you out. They will ask you to log in back again with your information. So you will now log in back. Once you log in back to your account, that is when you will arrive on this platform, on this interface that you are seeing right now. So for you to get to this particular place that you are going to buy dollar cheap at cheaper rate, what you just need to do is you click on this deposit. All right, at the upper hand side here, or the top right hand side here, click on this deposit. Once you click on this deposit, then this interface will appear on your screen. Then come to this place here at the left hand side here, you will see deposit, withdrawal, payment agent, transfer, and derive P2P here. Click on the derive P2P. Once you click on the derive P2P, this is where it will land you. All right, this is where you will arrive on. So once you get to this place, you will see that most of the people that are selling here has a 5-star, 4-star, 4+ star, like to show you that this platform is really legit, guys. So you just have to follow the information after registering. Before you'll be able to buy dollar cheap here, you have to be verified. All right, so you have to upload your document, and they will process your document, and once you are verified, you'll be able to place a buy on anybody that you want to do business with. All right, so if I want to do business with this particular mighty one here, I will just you can see how much he is selling $1. All right, he's selling $1 at the rate of 711 naira per dollar. All right, so what you need to do is click on this buy dollar here. Once you click on this buy dollar here, then after completing how much dollar that you want to uh, after you click on buy dollar here, you are going to impute how much dollar that you want to buy. So after receiving your dollar, you come to this platform, guys. This is how much here. This is 711 naira per dollar. Then you come to this P2P here, Binance P2P, to sell. And then look at how much you are going to sell, guys. You see this here? This is 724 naira for kobo. That is how much you are going to sell per dollar. And you bought at the rate of 711 naira here. All right, so you come to this P2P to sell it at the rate of 724 naira per dollar. So let's pull up our calculator and calculate how much you are going to make per $100 or per $200 that you you transact with. This is our calculator here. Let's say 711 times, let's take for instance you use the $100, or let's say you use $200, right? $200, that is you are going to pay 142,200 naira for $200 for you to receive $200. Sorry, all right, you are going to pay 142,200 naira for you to receive $200, all right, on this platform here. So now you will come to Binance here. You will come to Binance to sell it at 724 naira. All right, so now 724 times 200, that is 144,800 naira, guys. So 144,800 naira minus 142,200. So you are going to be making 2,600 per $200 transaction that you carry out here. So if you do this like 2 times, or if you have bigger funds to invest, probably you are using $1,000 and you multiply that with these guys. All right, depending how many times you'll be able to carry out this transaction every day, guys, you have made a lot of money. All right, so you do not need to this is not something that will go away anytime from now. So you just need to be doing it regularly and consistently. You'll be making a lot of money, guys. So that is it. As I said earlier on, if you love content like this and you want to be getting more whenever I share valuable content like this, be sure to smash that like button and turn on your notification bell. Also make sure to smash that subscribe button as well. And I am going to also share another platform in my next video where you can buy cheaper and sell higher. All right, so that is it, guys. Signing out, Olites. Peace.